Don't miss this 2011 Chevrolet HHR. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a Victory Red metallic exterior. With 35,964 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.